Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to clean your earbuds EARFUN Free Pro 3. So, in front of me I have clean tool and I'm going to use this brush to clean it. I don't need to use ear stick, we have a pretty short charging case, average. So, and also I will apply isopropyl alcohol at the charging contacts. Isopropyl alcohol doesn't conduct electricity, so there will be no short circuit. On the front side, the earbuds right here, we have these two dots on the left and right earbud. This one is touch areas, and also we have charging contacts at the charging case. So, let me apply firstly at the right earbud. Here we go, and now let's clean it with a brush. As I said, if you have a cleaning tool, you can use a toothbrush. Now let's apply it to the left earbud. Then I want to apply it to the charging contacts at the charging case, and also I will clean it with the same brush. And the right side. Then we can clean the grill, so remove ear tips. Right here we have the grill and slightly clean it with the same brush, so it's a good one. Then the right one. Now we can apply ear tips. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!